Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Gavin, or Bornhype, coming at you guys with another video. Today, we got finally, this unboxing. It's been a while. Oh, shit. Let me plug in my phone real quick. Shit's gonna die. There we go. Alright. I've been waiting a while for these. You guys may or may not have seen the live cop, but these are, if I could open the damn box, the Jordan 1 Low Cactus Jack, or Travis Scott, whatever. Same box as the high top ones, but this little new thing is kind of weird. I don't really like it. But yeah, and these are going straight to the toe, because these are fire, in my opinion. There we go. We got the 3 different colored laces. We got black. Oh, wait, no. Wait. Oh, yeah, these are black, I think. Just an extra set of black. We got, like, the gloss black actually on the shoe. It's, like, kind of waxed. We got red, and we got these, like, pink, whitish. I don't really know. But here is the shoe. We got the white reverse swoosh with a mean factory flaw, of course. Right there. Sucks to suck for me. Normal outsole. Got the like nice nubuck suede kind of thing here. Got the Nike Air on the tongue. There's no Cactus Jack on the inside. There's a little Cactus Jack guy there, and then there's Cactus Jack behind the swoosh on this shoe, and then on the other one, it is, oh, wait. Oh, it does say it, but it says it on the, it says Cactus Jack like really far down on the insole, and then this one says Travis Scott in there. It's pretty dope. And then this one has the Jordan Wings logo, which I think is kind of huge compared to the Cactus Jack. But whatever. And then the same other shit that we saw already. But yeah, I think this is a great shoe. I really fuck with Jordan 1 Lows, so these are going to be my personal to match my highs. So yeah, let me know in the comments which one you guys like better, the ones, the lows or the highs. And also, we are like 13 subscribers away, I think, from that giveaway of the wristbands. Let me check real quick. Yep, 13 subscribers away. So if you guys could share out these videos, man, get us 13 subscribers, and you guys could win a pair of the Supreme NBA wristbands. My hair is all fucked up. But yeah, guys, hope you guys did enjoy this video of this Travis Scott Low unboxing. If you did, make sure you slap that like button, subscribe if you guys are new, join the Discord, check out the sponsors in the description, and yeah, turn on post notifications so you guys know when I upload, because I always be doing live cops and unboxings for you guys, as well as soon some gaming videos. But I don't know if you guys will enjoy those, but we're going to try it out. So guys, hope you guys did enjoy this. It's been Gavin or Bornhype, and I'm out. Peace.